What is British Sign Language? So, let's dive into our first topic. What is BSL and what is its linguistic structure? British Sign Language, or BSL, is the most common sign language used throughout the UK. It's used not only by the deaf but also by the people who have trouble hearing or speaking. BSL is made up of a combination of hand signals, lip patterns, facial expressions and body movements. As you can see, the main difference between a spoken language and BSL is its visual nature. The people who communicate in sign languages need to see each other to communicate properly. So, as you probably have figured out by now, BSL doesn't follow the language structure of spoken English. A sentence in English follows a traditional structure: subject plus a verb plus possibly an object. In the case of BSL, though, the language structure is as follows. Topic comment structure. The topic is stated first, and then a comment about that topic is said and subsequently explained. Consider the following example for reference. In English, we would say, "The man is walking on the road." But in BSL, we would say, "Road man walk." So the language is visual in its nature. You need to paint a mental picture of what you're going to say before saying it and make sure that the other person can easily paint the same picture in his mind. But there are some rules. Have you noticed how, in the example above, the road comes before the man? It's intentional. The largest object in the painting or the scene in your mind needs to be communicated first. Then gradually add the smaller elements. The action or the verb, in this case walk, comes last. So that's the basic structure of BSL.